I was going to say wigwam, and you're going to say, what's wigwam? Can you say two? Shawshank Redemption and Waterboy. Coffee.
Growing up, what did you want to do for a living?
I wanted to be a tyre fitter. Don't laugh, that was what my dad was. That's what, family, I think is an important one. Oxygen, to make it easier for myself, and holidays. I'd love to be able to travel back in time. But I'd probably still am doing the same things anyway if I was doing it. St. Lucia. Bit of both. I was going to say wigwam, and you're going to say, what's wigwam? But my mum was quite easy on food, and wigwam is where you have a lump of mashed potato and you do 3 sausages up like a wigwam, or 4 sausages, depending on how you want. So yeah, that. I think every human language would be important for me because we can educate better. Je classe sel médicament uni by Cassav. You're going to think, what the hell is that? But it's a French zouk group. It's a Caribbean style of music. Keir Starmer. Reason being, let's find out what they were saying they were willing to do, and I'd get it all committed on that day. Dogs. Mum, Dad, Marilyn Monroe. My cousin Steve. I like Star Wars. BSL, British Sign Language. 9. A particular person, I won't say their name, bullied the hell out of me at school. And I go back when I was 9. Chocolate. Binged. Whoa. My wife's big on binging. Proper binge is watching Game of Thrones again and again. Winnie, one of my team. Well, because I've got a big mouth, they know everything most of it already. People get surprised when I dance, because I can. But I suppose that, I'm not being big, I'm not saying I'm fantastic, but yeah, I have rhythm and I can dance.